Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses a public meeting in Bastard division of Chhattisgarh today. Parivartan Chintan, a pioneer tri-service conference, aimed at generating new and fresh ideas, initiatives and reforms to propel jointness and integration efforts, was held in New Delhi today. National Council of Educational Research and Training and CERT have issued an advisory warning against copyright infringement of its educational materials. Naval Transmitting Station commemorated its 55th anniversary in Visakhapatnam yesterday. In IPL cricket, Chennai Super Kings will take on Kolkata Knight Riders at MA Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai today.